your morning, this good afternoon. If this is your afternoon, good evening or good night. If this is your night, this is the time we come together to learn Igbo language. This is free live Igbo class. So wherever you are, and you're interested in learning Igbo language, this is the time to join up. Let's do this together. I am the Igbo tutor. This is a free live class. Of course, we've been doing this for quite a while now, based on popular demand, that we come together and learn Igbo language free of charge. If you are connected to Igbo by any means, by birth, by marriage, by business association or partnership, or by mere friendship, or you just develop interest in Igbo language, we are here to help you advance your Igbo learning goal. So wherever you are from any part of the world, it is time to join up and let's do this together. We learn Igbo, we challenge ourselves, we teach others. We also measure our level of progress, as we learn Igbo language. It's possible you may have subscribed to one or two YouTube learning channels, but here we challenge ourselves to measure our level of progress and then learn more from each other as we all try to, push ourselves further and then quicken our speed in learning Igbo language. So there is no other place to be that is better than here at this moment. So wherever you are, I advise you to begin to join up now because we want to start in earnest. We don't want to waste much of your time. We have our scheduled time. We expected you to block it off your calendar and your time schedule, plan for it, so you come right on time to class. So Chike is here, you're welcome to class. The class captain is here. So there'll be no too much waiting today. So I can also see some other people have joined. But if you are already in the class, drop your greetings. Let's welcome you officially. Michael Steve Cheibe, welcome to class. Deo, and it is the first time you are joining our live class. Michael, if I'm right, just say yes. Or A in Igbo language to say yes. A, if that is the first time. A is just double E. Michael, is this your first time of joining our live class? So any other one that is available in the class now, do us a favor, drop your greetings, say Dewo, no, Dal, so we can pick your name and extend our greetings to you, ideally. That is how, yeah, Michael, I'm right. That's how to mark your register in the class. When you join the class, you drop your greetings. That way, we can easily pick your name and welcome you to class officially. And if you are joining us for the first time, we need to outline our rules. Our rules are: one, when you join the class, you hit the like button. It may be under or above your video window to show us that you appreciate what we do. Number two is that you subscribe to our channel if you have not done so, and also hit the notification bell so you get notified when we advertise our next live class or upload new videos. You also need to have your writing materials. Tochupa, you are welcome to class. Have your writing material so that you can write even as you listen and learn. That is a way of learning faster because you have your psychomotor in full action. So have your writing material. It also serves as a reminder for you when you want to do revision. So it's important to have your writing material. If you cannot contribute by way of writing in the chat when others are doing so, maybe because you are not very clear about what to write, you can learn from others by writing what others have written when they are correct. So these are ways we prepare for class each time we come together. So please, we expect you to be joining now. We have about 4 of you here. We need more of you to kickstart this class. Some people are very good at joining when we are about closing. That is not very ideal because when you come too late, you must have lost a lot. And we cannot keep those who are early too long in the class. It also extend our time for the video too long and make it boring to watch even after it has been uploaded to our YouTube channel. So it's good you join on time so we do this together. So go ahead, hit the like button, hit the share button. This is our rule of thumbs. Hit the like button, hit the share button, subscribe to our channel if you have not done so, hit the notification bell if you have not done so, and get ready to write and listen to your teacher as we do this together. Be ready to participate. It's not just me teaching. We are learning together. So this is a class where everyone is both learner and teachers. You can call my attention to anything. You can make suggestions. That's why we are all together here. I look at the time now. This is 4 minutes after the hour of 2. So this class is starting right now. So let's review our last lesson. We stopped at one particular verb. Remember, we're doing verb game. And we call it verb game because we pick verb and then break it down, the meaning, the writing, the way it should be written. We decode the meaning. We now turn the verb around to use it in different scenarios to see how the spelling of the word is transformed from one form to another. The meaning also is transformed from one form of meaning to another, depending on the usage. And that's why we call it verb game. It's actually a word game. So as you come to this class, you must be ready to learn. I'm sure you can't go out here without learning a new thing. So last week, we stopped at a particular verb, which is one particular verb. I need somebody to remind me what was the last verb we considered last week. Yes, someone drop it for me down in the chat. The last verb we considered in our lesson last week was what? I need it to be dropped now. Someone drop it for me. What was the last verb? Yeah. Don't you have devil? No, in the class. Yes, tell. Gua. Okay, don't you are there? Gua, tell. Correct. Don't you are very correct. The last verb we considered in the last class was gua, which is tell. So we pick it up from there. If you've not hit the like button for this live session, do that now, even as we continue in this class, and hit the share button. Let this live class go out to more people so we can have more joining like you and benefiting just as you are doing now. So we go. The verb we're looking at first today is hapo. Hapo. The rule is when I pronounce the verb, you first write it, so we'll be sure you get the spelling correctly. Then when we get it, we decode the meaning of that, and we begin to toss it around to get the other variants of that particular verb. So the verb now is hapo. Hapo. Yes, Chikeze has written that. Chikeze is the class captain. We give him that respect. So I look for others. Chikeze has written. I wait for others to drop their own hapo. That is the verb. Hapo. Write it now. Drop it now. Hapo. Yes. Hapo. That is the verb. Drop it. Waiting for you. Drop the verb hapo. Write it in the chat. Let me show you can decode the spelling from my pronunciation. That is the first hurdle to cross. Okay, Tochi has written hapo. Okay, Michael has written also hapo. Okay, Michael, I think maybe you don't have the Igbo keyboard in your phone or computer. If you don't, it's easy to install in your phone computer by going to language setting, go to keyboard, look for Kwati Igbo, and then choose it and install it in your own phone or computer, as the case may be. That way, when you want to type U with dot under, you hold the U key down on your phone keyboard, and it will display options of U with dot under, O with dot under, as the case may be, or dot on top. Talking to Michael Ucheibe now. All right, so try doing that against next class. Okay, move on. I think Michael Ucheibe, if I'm right, You are the one that requested to have my personal contact. Are you the one? Michael Uchebe, please confirm that you asked for my personal contact. Did you do that? I saw a text, a comment that is looking like yours, asking for my personal contact. Are you the one? Michael, please confirm that. Oh yeah, I'm right. Did you get my response to that? Because I replied that comment. Did you get my response, Michael? Did you get my response? Have you checked it out? My response, I replied you. Yeah, Michael, talking to you now. Did you get my response? I need your answer to that. Michael, did you get my response to that your request? Mike, oh, not yet. It means you have not checked your comment, your chat. That particular comment, I replied it. Nevertheless, if you go back to that your comment, you see a reply. But alternatively, send me email to the igbotutor@gmail.com. The Igbo Tutor, just like my channel name, the same, only that you don't have any space in between. The igbotutor@gmail.com. Send your request. Is that right, Michael? You get me clearly? Michael, confirm that. You get me? You get the email address to send your request to the igbotutor@gmail.com. Yeah, Michael? Need to get your response before we go on? Yeah, great. So we move on. So three of you tried. Hapu, you are all right. And the meaning of this word hapu is what? Someone should help us. What is the meaning of hapu? Yes, drop the meaning for us. Drop the meaning for us. Hapu. Yes, waiting for that. Some of you have not hit the like button. You've not shared this live session. It's not fair to the teacher. Yeah, do that now. Okay. Michael said, leave it. But we limited ourselves to happen. So it's a single word, not two words, but he wrote two words. But a good trier, good trier. I expect Tochi also and Chikezie to drop their own happen. Happen. What is the meaning? Yes, Michael has done well. What is the meaning of happen? Do your own. Let me see what you have. Yes, waiting for you. Tochi, where are you? Chikezie, where are you? Happen means what? Happen means what? Are you here? I hope you are not disconnected. Chikezie, is it network failure? McDonald, I'm waiting for your response. And Tochi, what is the meaning of happen in Igbo language? Any other one here? Okay, happen, leave. Okay, leave. That's Chikezie, great. So I believe Tochi will come in. Sharing option for YouTube user not available. Oh, not available. Okay, no problem. We'll share it later when it's uploaded to our YouTube channel. No problem. Good. Tochi, leave. Correct. Your responses are right. Leave. I talked about Michael writing leave it. We've not extended it to leave it. We only said leave, which is happen, leave. If it is leave it, it means happier. We are going, it becomes a phrase, or we're talking about a word now. So leave it is happier. I'm talking to my friend Michael now. So it's leave is the correct one. They will, Nake, you're welcome to class. They will. All right, let's break it. The different versions of leave. Happen is leave. To leave is what? As usual, let's break it down. To leave is what? To leave. How is it written in Igbo? To leave. I'm waiting for you. Drop it now. Who is dropping first? To leave. To leave. Who is dropping that first? Waiting. Shoot it now. Game on. To leave is what? To leave is what? Game on. Who is shooting first? Happen. Okay, Nake has written, even though your spelling is not correct. I'm going to address that. Let's wait for others. Maybe they will correct you. To leave is what? Okay, click on the three dots on the right top of the screen and you will see the share button. Okay, yeah, Michael, you can see the instruction from the class captain, Chikezie, is guiding you on how to get the share button. Okay, on how to get the share button. Did you get it now? Listen, look at the chart from Chikezie, the class captain, on how to get the share button. Please confirm you saw it. I'm talking to Michael now. Okay. Nake is still arguing with me that is correct. Oh, it means you know more than your teacher now. It's good. Oh, but somebody has corrected you already, and that is Chikezie. Look at the spelling there, and look at your own and see the difference. Talking to Nake now. Tochi too, your spelling is not correct. Look at Chikezie's own write-up. You look at the correct spelling there. You see your error. You correct it. Okay? Chikezie's writing is the correct one. Michael would have also gotten it, but I think he has not gotten the Igbo keyboard. But Chikezie's own is the appropriate one, the right spelling of happen. Look at that and correct yourself. Okay? Okay, so we move on now. The U had dot under also. I'm talking to Tochi, not only the I. Okay, yeah, you have done it right now. But Nake, I hope you can see your error now, that you're arguing that you're correct. Okay, okay, so that is it. We'll move on. Many of you have not hit the like button. And if you cannot get the share button, you can get the like button. Hit the like button first. That one is easier to do for now. Sherry Mango, you are welcome to class. Okay, Sherry Mango, welcome to class. Okay, Nake, you have corrected yourself now after arguing with your teacher. You get stubborn, you get stubborn head though. No problem. We'll go see tomorrow. All right. So we now have to leave. Next is left. 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 What is Igbo? Igbo write up for left. Left. What is that? Write it now. Shoot. Game on. Left. Past tense of leave. Left. Game on. Who is shooting first? Chikeze is in here. Haporo. Okay, I wait for others to come in. Class captain is in. First position. Nake is second. Nake is second. Correct. Who else is coming in here? Past tense of leave. Left. Yes. Who is shooting next? Third position. Tochi, where are you? Sherry Mango should not beat you to this. So, should he be? Okay. Okay. Tochi is in. Good. Where is Sherry Mango? Where is Michael? Left. Past tense of leave. Left. Okay. Those of you that drop your answers, you got it right. So as others are coming, we'll respond to them. Next one is living. Is living. What is that in Igbo? How is it written? Is living. Yes. Is living. How is that written in Igbo language? Okay, Michael, good one. Is living. How is it written in Igbo language? Who is shooting first? Game on. Is living. Who shoots first? Nake. Na happen. Okay, even though your spelling is not perfect. Chikezie, second, but Chikezie's spelling is better than Nake's own. Nake seems not to be very careful with his writing today. Okay, Tochi, good effort, but your spelling not perfect. Only Chikezie got the right spelling for now. Where is Michael? Where is Sherry Mango? Shoot now. Is living. Is living. All right. Anyone coming in again? Is living. Is living. Okay, Tochi, you have done your correction. That's fine. Okay, Nake has not done his own correction. I hope you do. All right. Let's go on. It's living. Next is will leave. Will leave. Write that in Igbo language. They and Igbo. Will leave. Will leave. Will leave. If you've not hit the like button, you are not fair to your teacher at this time. You are not fair. Okay, Chikezie has shot first. Chikezie have shot first. Will leave. Will leave. I wait for others to come in and let's see who got it perfectly well. I will not make any comment on the correctness or otherwise now until all the responses come in. Nake, second position. Tochi, third position. Anybody else coming in? Anybody else coming in? Will leave. Will leave. Anyone else coming in? I go to the third one, the fourth or fifth rather. Okay. Okay, Michael, good effort, but not very, very perfect. Okay, remember we're talking about happen as the parent verb, not poor. Poor is leave also, but this one is, in that case, that poor leave is you're telling somebody to leave. But the one we're considering here now is leaving something you are holding. Leaving something you are holding, okay? That is the one we are about here now. That is exactly the type of talking, not somebody leaving you. Okay, we go on to don't leave. Don't leave. Don't leave. Okay, don't leave. Can you shoot now? Game on. Write that in Igbo language. Don't leave. Game on. Don't leave. Write that in Igbo language. Game on. Shoot now. Who is shooting? Chikezie Ahapola. Okay, I wait for others to come in. First position, Chikezie. Second, Nake. Tochi, I know you take third. Tochi, third. Cherry Mango, are you still in the class? Cherry Mango, Shoibi, are you still in the class? Please say yes. I want to see your comments. Let me be sure you are still in the class. Shoibi, please confirm you are still in the class. I'm waiting for that response, Shoibi. Okay? Just to confirm you are still here. It's not necessarily must write. If you don't understand, you can learn from others. But let me be sure you are still here. Shoibi, Cherry Mango, you are the one I'm talking to now. Okay? So, the last one in this series is have left. Have left. Have left or has left. Either of the two. If it's plural, it's have left. If it's singular, has left. Past participle. Okay. Let me have that. Shoot it now. Game on. Have left. Has left. Okay. Okay, Chikeze have come in. Okay. Chikeze has come in. Any other option? Chikeze has shot in first. Any other option? Have left. Has left. Okay, Tochi. Okay, I love that. Nake, where are you? Nake, where are you? Okay. Nake is in. I love those options and variations there. Good. Cherry Mango have not answered my question. I hope she's still in the class. Right, let's look at the options and explain something here. We saw ahapuwo and ahapugo. These are the two things I need to comment on. Same word, different presentation. Ahapuwo, ahapugo. Both are correct. Some will prefer to use ahapugo. Some will use ahapuwo. But ahapugo seems to be more popular than ahapuwo. Okay? But both are correct. But ahapugo seems more popular than ahapuwo. But both of them are correct. They mean the same thing. Have left or has left. They mean the same thing. Right. Having said that, Let's go back and, do our sentence formation, beginning with the first one, leave. Okay? Okay? Let's start. Leave them alone. Leave them alone. That is a simple sentence. Leave them alone. Leave them alone. Leave them alone. Okay, we had the first response. Leave them alone. Leave them alone. Leave them alone. Two responses. Chikezie first, Nake second. I wait for the rest. Leave them alone. Write that in Igbo language. Leave them alone. Okay? Okay. We have two options now. Hapo haka. Majority wrote that. But we have hapo ha. Okay? Let's see whether they are all correct. Hapo haka is the same thing as leave them. There's no difference. Hapo haka is leave them. Hapo maka, leave me. Okay? Hapo also for short is also leave me or leave them. But when you add alone, something is added there. There's a different thing added. Alone. It should be hapo nane ha. Hapo nane ha. Hapo nane ha. Nane ha. The alone. Only them. Nane ha. Only them. Leave them alone. To stay alone. Only them. Okay? But leave them. Hapo haka is leave them. Okay? But Naaneha is emphasizing that they have to be alone. Okay? Leave them alone. Hapo Naaneha. But Hapo Haka is also correct by saying leave them. Leave them is Hapo Haka. For short, Hapo Ha. But the full expression is Hapo Haka. That's leave them. So where Michael wrote Hapo Ha is also correct. Leave them. But when we emphasize alone there, it becomes hapnaneha. Yeah. Okay, that's what I'm talking. You got it? But your I should have dot under it. Should have dot under it. Hapnaneha. Leave them alone. If you say oh haporonaneha, he left them alone. Okay? If I go to the second sentence and use it to do this expression, second sentence now, second sentence now, which is left. I'm now using the same expression. He left them alone. Yeah, he left them alone. He left them alone. So let's write that now. He left them alone. Write it now. This will also, buttress the point I was making earlier. He left them alone. We're in the second sentence now, using left. Okay, Chikezie is in now. Good. Chikezie have dropped his own. I wait for others. Excuse me. He left them alone. Chikezie has shot already. Who else is shooting in? Who else is coming in? First position taken by Chikezie. He left them alone. Write that in Igbo language. Okay, Michael is in second position. Okay, third, right? Actually, Nake is second, and then Michael third, Tochi fourth. Tochi, they are pushing you back. Oh, okay, so that's good. Good effort. Good effort. That's good. Oh haporo na neha correct. Nake oh haporo na correct. Michael. Oh, haporo, na neha, correct. Even though I know you don't have the keyboard, the Igbo keyboard yet, so I mark you right for now. Tochi, oh, haporo, ha, na neha. No, Tochi, don't put ha first and put it again at the back. It's just oh, haporo, na neha. One ha is okay at the back, Tochi. So the other one is not needed. This one is not needed there. Ignore Daniel. He's always a distraction, but he likes the Igbo class. He comes always, but he always, try to distract us. But it's all right. It shows he's also learning, even though he chooses to be naughty. So ignore him. Let's move on. So we go on to leave, to leave, to leave. Or the sentences, they want to leave us. 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 Let's write it now. They want to leave us. Write that in Igbo language. Shoot now. They want to leave us. Shoot now. Okay? Okay, Chikeze has come in already. Anybody else? Shoot, shoot, shoot. Game on. They want to leave us. Right in Igbo. Michael? Okay, Michael is taking second. Michael is challenging seriously today. Even though it's the first time he's joining our live class, but he's challenging seriously. So if you are not careful, Michael is going to push you down the pecking order. Okay, Nake is third here. Where is my friend Tochi? Tochi. I think Sherry Mango has left the class. I don't know what happened. Because he didn't answer my friend, my request. He didn't reply my request. Those of you joining class, you have a duty to do few things as you join the class. Hit the like button. Even the old students who are in the class, please hit the like button. It's important to let YouTube know that people like this video or this live session so that they can show it to more people. That is the importance of the like button. Very important to us. Hit the like button now. If you've not done so, then hit the share button. If you can find the button around this window, share it, and then subscribe to our channel if you have not done so. Hit the notification bell to get notified when we have our next live class. Princess Ezenwa, you are welcome to class. Nice to meet you. See you here. Ezenwa. Okay. Let's go on and let's mark this one now. They want to leave us. Let's see the marking chikezie. Ha chọrọ ịhapụ anyị. Correct. Michael, ha chọrọ ịhapụ anyị. I give you correct because you don't have the keyboard yet. Nake, ha chọrọ ịhapụ anyị. Nake, your anyị is not correct. I will not pardon you. I pardon Michael, but I won't pardon you because you're an old student. Your anyị is not correct. Tochi, ha chọrọ ịhapụ anyị. Correct. Princess, ha chọrọ ịhapụ anyị. Correct. Great. So we've done that. We'll go to the next one. Is living. Is living. Is living. He is living the orange. 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 Shoot now. Game on. He is living the orange. Game on. Shoot. He is living the orange. Yes. On. Shoot now. He is living the orange. Let's know at least those who know the name of orange in Igbo now. He is living the orange. Chikezie is in already. First position. Who else is shooting in now? He is living the orange. Yes. Yes. I'm waiting for you. Only Chikezie is in now. I'm waiting for others to come in. Yes. He is living the orange. Write that in Igbo language. What are you waiting for? He is living the orange. Shoot now in Igbo language. How is that written in Igbo language? He is living the orange. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you to write that. Waiting for you to write that. Yes? What are you waiting for? Yes? He's leaving the orange. Who else is writing? Okay, Tochi has written. Tochi has written. Princess has written. Who else is coming in? Where is my friend? Nake. Where is Michael? Okay, Michael is in. Okay. Okay, good efforts. Nake is not in yet. He is leaving the orange. He is leaving the orange. All right. Are we marking now? Nake is not coming in yet. Is he still on his way? Write it in Igbo language. He is leaving the orange. Write that in the charts in Igbo language. This is free live Igbo class. If you are joining us, you're welcome. This is the Igbo tutor, Mazio Kafo. Here we challenge ourselves to learn Igbo language free of charge every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigeria time, 1300 GMT. Wherever you are in any part of the world and you are interested in learning Igbo language free of charge, you want to measure your level of progress, even though you're learning from other channels, you are a beginner, you are at intermediate level, you are advanced, here you can always learn something. You can come around, you learn from others, others learn from you. Sorry, something happened. I didn't know the Wi-Fi, the battery of my Wi-Fi is down, so it just went off. I didn't come with the charger here, so I have to change to something else. So sorry about that. But I believe you can still hear me. Please indicate if you can still hear me. I'll be sure. Can you still hear me? Can you still hear me? Please indicate. As we move on, indicate you can still hear me. Are you with me? Oh yeah, that's fine. So we move on now, and then I have to do the marking now. So, yeah. So, let me do the marking, beginning with Chikezie. He wrote, "Ọ na-ahapụ oroma ahụ." Good. Tochi wrote, "Ọ na-ahapụ oroma ahụ." Great. Princess, "Ọ na-ahapụ oroma ahụ." Great. Michael, "Ọ na-ahapụ oroma." Okay, oroma ahụ should be the best one. Oroma, the orange, oroma. Slow, love no limits. Love no limits. You're welcome to class. I find it difficult to pronounce that your name. I think this is the first time you are coming to class. Love no limits. Please confirm if that is true. Is it your first time of joining our live class? Love no limits. Please confirm. If that is the case, you are welcome to class. We say no to you. Love no limits. Okay? Let's remember, excuse me, that when you join our class, there are a few things you do. You hit the like button and then share this live class, okay, so that others can see, and then subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have not done so, hit the notification bell so that you can notify you when the next class is coming up. I need to go and do something quickly, but I'll be back soon. Okay, Tochi, taking permission from the class. You are permitted. Right? So we move on now. Those responses are correct. So we go on. The next one is will leave, will leave, will leave. Ga happen. Let's have a sentence. He will leave us soon. He will leave us soon. Talking about Tochi now. Tochi will leave us soon. Let's write that in Igbo language. Will leave us soon. Just as Tochi. Tochi will leave us soon. Write that in Igbo language. Oh yeah, shoot now. Yeah, shoot it now. Tochi will leave us soon. All right, waiting for you to shoot now. Game on. Game on. He will leave us soon. If you don't want to put Tochi, just write, he will leave us soon. Write that in Igbo language. This is Igbo drill, Igbo language drill, free Igbo class, the language drill. Here, we challenge ourselves to know how far we've gone, the progress we've made in being able to comprehend the Igbo language, write it, understand the sound of the word, and then measure our level of progress. Oga hapụ anyị mgbe na-adịghị anya. Okay, I want to wait for others to respond so we can determine the best response and the best write-up, the best sentence. He will leave us soon. Write that in Igbo language. Just try, just give it a try. He will leave us soon. Yes, give it a try. Tochi ga-ahapụ anyị kita. Okay, another option, good one from Michael. Any other option? Where is Nake? Where are the rest people? All right, he will leave us soon. Write that in Igbo language. Yes, I'm waiting for your response now. He will leave us soon. Okay, princess. Oga hapụ anyị ngwa. Okay. Okay. We're going to explain the differences now. Chikezie, Oga hapụ anyị nwa obere oge. Another option. That's good. That's good. Different options now. Now let's look at this. Chikezie first wrote, ọ ga-ahapụ anyị mgbe na-adịghị anya. Soon. That's also correct. Okay, ọ ga-ahapụ anyị ngwa. That's what Princess wrote. Ngwa shouldn't be the right word here. Ngwa is quickly, quick. That's ngwa, quick. But this time around, we're talking about soon. Is either n'obere oge na-adịghị anya. Let's see Nake's own. Okay, let's see Chikezie again. Chikezie wrote obere oge. Oh, Chikezie wrote obere ego. I think that's a typographical error. It's not obere ego. It's obere oge. I think Chikezie is a typographical error. I know you're more than that. Nake wrote, Tochi ga-ahapụ anyị oge adịghị anya. Perfect. Oge adịghị anya. Perfect. Perfect. That is Nake. So it's either oge na-adịghị anya or oge adịghị anya. Simply oge adịghị anya. Okay, I think that is smoother than oge na-adịghị anya. That's too ambiguous. Oge adịghị anya is perfect. So Nake, thumbs up for you. All right. Damik. Ọ ga-ahapụ anyị. Okay, good effort, Damik. Damik, is it the first time you're joining our live class? Confirm that. Have you hit the like button? Some of us have not done that. That's not fair. And share out this live session. Subscribe to our channel if you've not done so. And for those of you who are joining us for the first time, we have specially made ebooks for you, those are beginners, that will help to fast track your learning and give you an edge over a short period of time. Those ebooks are unique, okay, because they have text, pictures, and audio, downloadable audio that can easily download into your phone or computer, and you can view them and listen to them when you are offline. And with that, you can always hear me talking to you, reading the book for you with the right pronunciations and right explanations anytime, any day, even when you are offline. And they are for token, $1 to $3 you buy any of them. And how do you get the books? Very simple. Look at our channel description. In our homepage, you see a link to our bookshop. This live session and previous live classes that are uploaded to our channel, go to the description box below. You will see a link to our bookshop. Go to our community tab. In our homepage, you see advert of our books and the link to our bookshop attached to it. You can always go there, buy up with $25 or so. You can buy up to 10 of our books and you start learning. And they cover a variety of subjects from alphabet to numbers to two-letter word and phrases and daily conversation. Everything is there. Get them now today, and you'll be glad you did. I hope that is clear enough. So we go on now. Tochi says back. Tochi no. Right. So these are the correction. Oga hapo and yoga de anya. That's fine. Now we'll talk about ahapola, which means don't leave. Don't leave. Ahapola. Don't leave. I take it now. Okay. Don't leave the what? Don't leave the house. Okay? Don't leave your brother. Don't leave your brother in the house. Don't leave your brother in the house. Don't leave your brother in the house. Okay? Check mine, please. Okay? What did you say I should check? Oh, Mike, I didn't check your own. Oh, Toshiga Hapwani Kita. Oh, yeah. Sorry for that, Mike. It escaped my mind. Kita is not the right word. Kita is now, not soon. Kita is now. Is either Ubua or Kita, that is now, so not soon. Is that clear, Mike? Is that clear, Mike? Oh, Nake, thank you for your okay, Nake, thank you for your super chat. Is that sticker? I think that should be a sticker or super chat rather. Thank you for that. Of course, that is one way of appreciating our efforts. You can send us super chat just like Nake has done, or super sticker, or super thanks. That's one way of supporting these free classes to continue going on just like this. So thank you, Nake. You can just borrow a leaf from him, give us a super chat, a super sticker, super thanks. We'll appreciate that to keep this going on. Thank you. We'll move on. Apple one negi woke nani. Okay. Don't leave your brother. That is the sentence. Don't leave your brother alone. Nake has written. Any other person writing now? Don't leave your brother alone. Yes. Any other option? Don't leave your brother alone. Yes, Nake has written. Any other option? Any other option? Don't leave your brother alone. Yes, Princess. Ahapụla nwanne nwoke gị naanị. Okay, good effort. Chikezie. Ahapụla naanị nwanne gị nwoke. Good effort. I'm going to analyze all of them to see the most appropriate one. Where is Tochi? Tochi, you are back now. Let me have your sentence. Don't leave your brother alone. Don't leave your brother alone. Michael, yes. Do as you have done before. Challenge yourself. Write something. Michael, better to try than not to try. Okay. I want to start marking now. Are we expecting any other person? Let me see. Nake wrote, Ahapụla nwanne gị nwoke naanị. The arrangement is not perfect. Let's go on. Princess wrote, Ahapụla nwanne nwoke gị naanị. The arrangement is still not okay, but the words are okay. They're complete. But the arrangement. Chikezie wrote, Ahapụla naanị nwanne gị nwoke. Perfect. That is the perfect arrangement. Ahapụla naanị nwanne gị nwoke. That is the perfect order. It should be arranged. Tochi wrote, Ahapụla naanị nwanne gị nwoke. Tochi also is correct. That is the perfect order. It should be arranged. So if you are writing, please write that out. That is the right order. Lastly, for this verb is have left or has left. Ahapuwo or ahapugo. Let's make a sentence with that. They have left us since. They have left us since. Another challenge here, since. Let's see those who can understand that. They have left us since. So in these sentences, we are learning multiple words and their usage in one sentence. So just listen and follow it through. They have left us since. So let's have it. Let's have the word, the sentence now. Shoot that in Igbo language. They have left us since. Let me have that in Igbo language. Shoot now. Yes, this is live Igbo class, free live Igbo class, where we challenge ourselves to speak, hear, write Igbo language, and sharpen our skill in Igbo language. Yes, Tochi wrote. Oh, I'm waiting. Who is shooting first? Game on, game on. They have left us since. Chikezie have shot already. First position, Chikezie. Who else is shooting? They have left us since. Shoot now. Chikezie is in. Who is following suit? Who is taking second position? They have left us since. They have left us since. They have left us since. Okay, let me have it. Chikezie is in first position. Who is taking second? Tochi. I have one. Kambe. Great. Tochi, you are doing well. Oh. No jokes at all. Yeah. Any other person coming in? We have first. We have second. Where is Nake? Where is Michael? Where is Princess? Ha hapu go ani kembe. Great. I love these options. Kambe. Kembe. Erimbe. That's great. Michael, ahapugo anyị kemgbe. Okay, but there's something you are missing. They, you didn't put it, you are writing Michael. You didn't put they, you just jumped to left us. You didn't put they. Okay, you didn't put they. I'm talking to Michael now. But we go back and review the responses and see what happened. Chikezie, we saw you say ha hapuwo anyị kambe or erimbe. That's you either use kambe or erimbe, but kambe is more popular than erimbe. So we are adopting kambe or kembe. Both are, but even kembe seems to be more appropriate. Kembe. Okay. So ahapuwo. But again, can you use ahapuwo or ahapugo? Which of them is correct? Both are right. But ahapugo seems to be more popular than ahapugo. Ahapuwo. Ahapugo seems to be more popular, but both are correct. So, Chikezie, you are right. Tochi, ha hapuwo anyị kambe. Okay, correct. Like I said earlier. Okay, Michael, I've corrected Michael already. He didn't put ha in the right order. Princess is ahapugo specific to Anambra. Yeah, it seems so. It seems so. It seems that ahapugo seem to be more peculiar to Anambra. You are making a point, Princess. I think so. But either ahapuwo or ahapugo, both are usable. Both are correct. Anyone that hears that will understand exactly what you are saying. But if you choose to use ahapugo, I think you're from Anambra. Maybe that's why you're asking. Want to know the one you use when you go to your village. So use ahapugo, Princess. Use ahapugo when you travel home. Is that right? I think Anambra people will appreciate that more than ahapuwo. All right. So we're through with happen now. And we are going to, Princess, do you get my response? We are going to the next verb. Okay, and the next verb is horror. Horror. Yeah, that's what we have. Horror. Horror. Let's write it now. Let's write horror now. Okay? Let's write it. I believe those of you who are new to our class, you heard me when I explained how to get our ebooks that I think will be very helpful to you. Did you hear me? Please confirm that. Is it clear enough? And let me know if you're going to buy them when we finish this class. Okay, Princess has written, Chikezie has written. All right. Any other person coming in with the word horror? Horror. Horror. Anybody coming in with a different version of that? Horror. Otherwise, these two answers are correct. We deal with the meaning now. What is the meaning of horror? Let's drop that. Okay, Michael, you're also right. Especially even with the tone, you're right. It's high, high, horror, That's good. Told you are right. So let's deal with the meaning of horror. Horror. What is the meaning of horror? Yes. Shoot it now. Meaning of the word horror. Yes. Choose. Correct. As in when you are right, you are there. It's choose. Okay. Choose. I wouldn't want to dwell on that further because the right answer has been dropped. Yanake, choose, select. You are all right. That's horror. Now let's break it down. I was talking about the need to get our ebooks that are very helpful to you when you are offline. You can still listen and learn. And I was asking if our new students got my explanation on how to get the ebooks. If the answer is yes, please let me know. Just indicate yes, or right is clear, or right understood. Let me be sure you got what I explained on how to get the book and the importance of the book to you all. Even old students need the book too if you've not buy it. Most of our students have the books, and you can see how they respond to questions because of the advantage of those books. So if you got it right, let me hear that you got it. You are clear about that. While we move on to break, okay, understood. That's good. Yeah, that's good. One person giving us response. At least that is a confirmation that is clear enough. So we move on to toss this word around. Horror, choose. To choose is what? To choose. To choose. Once somebody get the response correct, or two people, we move on to the next because of time. To choose is what? To choose is what? E-horror. Okay. Any other option? Any other option? E-horror. Okay. Any other option? E-horror. Princess. Correct. Tochi, where are you? To choose. To choose. To choose. I hope no one is looking at our books to answer these questions. If you are doing that, you are cheating yourself. You are not testing your knowledge. So don't look at any book. Don't look at your notebook. Don't look at anything. Because some of you are in my private class. If you are looking at your notebook, you are not helping yourself. Be sure you are doing this offhand, so you can be able to know whether you learned those things really, whether they are in your subconscious mind or not. Don't look at books. I hope you're not looking at any book. Okay? So we move on. And the next one is chose. Chose. How do we write that in Igbo language? Chose. Don't you are right. What is chose? Past tense of choose in Igbo language. What is the past tense of choose, which is chose? How is it written in Igbo language? Chose. Oh yeah, shoot. Game on. Chose. Game on. Write it in Igbo language. Chose. Kenake wrote horror. Chikeze wrote horror. Any other option? I love that. Any other option? Yes, Princess, Tochi, where are you guys? What is the past tense of choose in Igbo language? Chose. How is it written in Igbo language? Yes, waiting for you. Hit that now. How is it written in Igbo language? Past tense of choose. Chikeze wrote horror. Nake wrote horror. Okay, any other option? Tochi wrote horror. Okay, are we expecting any other thing from Princess? Anything different from Princess or Michael? Any other thing different? If none, I mark now. The correct one here is Chikezi's own, horror. Of course, that's what Nake wanted to write, but it's not written that way. It's not horror, it's horror. Another way of writing it is horrorla, horrorla. Okay, it's also a way of writing it, but horror is better, is the best in this circumstance. We move on. Is choosing, because by now all of us should know how to write this. Okay, Nake, that's fine. Is choosing is what? I believe we should all know how to write is choosing. Okay, let's write that. Is choosing. The act of choosing, present continuous, is choosing. How is it written in Igbo language? Nake has written, great. Any other contribution? Nake has written, where are the rest? Chikezie, Tochi, Michael, Okay, na horo, great. Na horo, great. That is correct. For those who are still coming in, that is the right answer. Na ahoro, that's correct. Move on to will choose. Will choose. But I want to meet up. We choose. We choose. Move on now. Game on. Right? We choose in Igbo language. Okay, Tochi, you're right. Princess, you're right. Move on. Will choose. Write that in Igbo language. Will choose. Okay. Gahoro, Nake, you are right. Chikezie, you are right. Nake, first position. Chikezie, second position here now. Where are the rest? Will choose. Will choose. Will choose. Will choose. Hit it now. Game on. Okay? Will choose. Princess, correct. Tochi, correct. Game on. Next. Don't choose. Don't choose. Do not choose. Don't choose. Hit that in Igbo language. How is it written? How is it written? Game on. Don't choose. Write that in Igbo language. Don't choose. Game on. Okay. So ahorola. Great. Ahorola. Great. Nake first position. Nake challenging seriously now. Nake no give space at all. I love that. Okay. I have two responses. First position, Nake. Second, Chikezie. Anybody coming in again? Don't choose. Okay. Tochi ahorola. Great. I love that. Princess, where are you? Where is Princess? Where is Michael? Where is Sherry Mango? Appears she has run away from the class. Okay. Yeah. Okay, your response is correct. Has chosen. Has chosen. Has chosen. Yeah. Hit that. Game on. Write that in Igbo language. Has chosen. Has chosen. Has chosen. Okay. 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 What do we have? Chikezie ahorogo. Nake ahorogo. Great. I love that. Ahorogo. Okay. Those two responses are correct. Ahorogo. They are correct. Okay. Michael ahorola. Okay, your response is coming. Okay, ahorola. Okay. There's also a way of saying that, but it's not. Okay, Tochi, ahorogo. Right. That's fine. Okay, let's move to our sentences now. Choose. Choose the one you want. Write that in Igbo language. Choose the one you want. Write in Igbo language. Choose the one you want. Write that in Igbo language. Game on. Shoot now. Who takes first? Yes. Who is taking first now? Chikezie. Shoot. He's got the first position to Chikezie. Who comes second? Choose the one you want. Who comes second here? Choose the one you want. Who comes second? Choose the one you want. Who comes second? Nake comes second. Okay, and who is coming third? Princess comes third. Okay, who is coming fourth? Michael comes fourth. Tochi is coming very last now, almost. Tochi, okay. But even though he came last, he came well. That's good. Let's look at the answers. Chikezie, họrọ nke ị chọrọ. That's perfect. Nnake, họrọ nke otu ị chọrọ. No. That I said one doesn't mean it is O2. Họrọ, choose the one you want. I'm talking about the option between 2 or 3. You are choosing a particular one you want. So it doesn't mean you have to be one as a number. So you don't need to put otu there. No, it's not necessary. Họrọ nke ị chọrọ is the perfect sentence, not otu ị chọrọ. No. Princess, họrọ otu ị chọrọ. No, you don't put one there. It's họrọ nke. What represents that one there is nke, the one, nke. This one, nke a, that one, nke ahụ. So in this circumstance, nke is representing one, the one. Okay? I hope that is clear enough. Talking to Nnake and Princess now. Is that clear? Do you get my explanation? Nke means the one. Nke ani, our own. Nke ha, their own. Nke this one. Nke aha, that one. Is that clear to Nnake and Princess? Okay? And Michael wrote, Ọrọ nke ị chọrọ. You did not put your "e" to stand alone. That is a pronoun representing you. So you have to stand alone. You don't join in with another word. I'm talking to Michael now. Tochubabi, họrọ nke ị chọrọ. Perfect sentence. Perfect sentence. I hope others are taking their corrections now. Oh my goodness. This is bad. A minute. This is bad. All right. Yes, I'm back here. So, yeah, so like I say, you got the correction right. Daniel. Okay, we move on. We ignore Daniel as usual. So we move on. We've done that. We go to the second sentence. We move on to second sentence to choose. Okay, he wants to choose the best. He wants to choose the best. Another new word some of you will learn, the best. He wants to choose the best. Yes. Let's shoot now. Write that in Igbo language. He wants to choose the best. Write that in Igbo language. Shoot now. Let's go. Game on. He wants to choose the best. Game on. Let's shoot. He wants to choose the best. Game on. Yes. Who comes first here? Who comes first? If you have not hit the like button for this live session, you are not fair to us. If you've not hit the share button, you are not fair to us. If you've not subscribed to our channel, you are not fair to us. Do that. Those are little ways you can support us. Remember, there's a chance to give us super thanks, super stickers, and super, chat and stickers. And thanks as a way of keeping us going in these free live classes. Okay? Now, we're waiting for you. Chikezie came in first. Okay? And then Tochi came in second. Tochi has recharged now. He doesn't want to go last again. Tochi came second. Who is coming in? Third. Who is coming in third? Who is coming in third? Where is Nake? Where is Princess? Who is coming in third here? Who is coming in third? Waiting. He wants to choose the best. He wants to choose the best, right? In Igbo language. This is Igbo language drill. He wants to choose the best. Let's see how you go. Yes, waiting for others to come in. He wants to choose the best. I got only 2 responses. What is happening to the rest? Are you stuck in traffic? Nake is in 3rd position. Michael is in fourth position. Where is Ezenwa? Where is Ezenwa? Where is my princess? Coming now. Where are you? I want to start marking now. Okay, let me start marking. Maybe you will meet us on the road. Let's go. Chikeze wrote, Ọ chọrọ ịhọrọ nke ka mma. I said the best. Mark my word, not the better one, the best. Let's see how it goes. Tochi wrote, Ọ chọrọ ịhọrọ nke ka mma. Still the same. Nake wrote, Ọ chọrọ ịhọrọ nke ka mma. Still the same. Michael wrote, Ọ chọrọ ịhọrọ nke kachasị mma. Way! Michael has won. Michael has won from behind. Michael is challenging the old students today. Seriously. Michael, it appears you have got the Igbo keyboard installed in your phone. Am I right? I can see you having 0 with dot under now. Have you done it? Have you done it? And that's great. Although there's a little correction to make for you. Ọ chọrọ ịhọrọ nke kachasị mma. The only correction there is the kachasị. Your EI will have dot under. Is E kachasị. That is the only error in your sentence. Otherwise, your sentence is the most appropriate one. The best is what I said. If I say nke kama, it becomes the better one. Good, better, best. Ọ dị mma, ọ ka mma, ọ kachasị mma. I hope I'm making sense here. Ọ dị mma, ọ ka mma, ọ kachasị mma. Good, better, best. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? No, Michael, your I with dot under is available now. You already use it. You use it when you wrote e-horror. It's already there, so there's no excuse for you for that. Okay? So are we clear with what I'm explaining about good, better, best? Is it clear to everybody? Are you okay with that? Is it clear? Demma. Kachamma or kamma, kachasimma. Good, better, best. Is it clear? Please indicate you understand what I explained. Okay? Okay? Do you get what I said? Okay, that's great. We'll move on. So, we'll go to choose, past tense of choose. We'll move on to that now. Choose. Okay, what nam horror. Okay, nam horror one name okay. Let me leave it at that. Oh, I spoke it in Igbo. That's fine. Okay, let's try that. Write it the way I said it. Nam horror one name okay. You can write it. Just write it in Igbo the way I said it. Let's see those who can understand the sound. Nam horo nwanne nwoke. Okay, write it in Igbo the way I said it. No problem. Just write it. Nam horo nwanne nwoke. Okay, write it the way I said it in Igbo language. Okay, okay. I'm waiting for other Chikezie has come in first. After we decode the meaning, we'll say the meaning. But let's write the way I said it. Let's see those who understand the sound, the way I said it. Nam horo one name okay. Princess is in. Okay, great. Where are the rest? Michael, Nake, Tochi, Princess is in. Where are the rest people? Tochi is in. Nam horo one name okay. Great effort. Who is many? Nake is not in yet. Nam horo nwanne m nwoke. Great. Now, somebody give us the meaning. Somebody give us the meaning. Who gives the meaning first? Shoot now. The meaning. Okay, Michael, you are here. That's great. But your horror is not correct. It's horror. Double O. For past tense of horror is horror. So it's double O. Talking to Michael now. So what is the meaning of this word, this sentence? Somebody decode it for us. Decode it for us. Decode it for us quickly. My father chose my brother. Perfect. Perfect. Tochi, my father chose my brother. Perfect. Princess, my father chose my brother. Perfect. This class is hot. Oh, you guys are hot in your head. Seriously. My father chose my brother. Great. This is a very lively class. Strong competition is here. I love this. All right. We move on to is choosing. Is choosing. Is choosing. We are choosing the better one. We are choosing the better one. I don't know. You ask my father, I don't know why he do that. We are choosing the better one. We are choosing the better one. Let's write that in Igbo language. We are choosing the better one. We are choosing the better one. Shoot now, game on. Write that in Igbo language. Verb game, game on. Challenge your brain, challenge your understanding, challenge your knowledge of Igbo language here. It's Igbo language drill. We are choosing the better one, right, in Igbo language. We have one reply already. Chikezie, first position. Who is taking second position? Shoot now, game on. Princess, second position. Princess is on fire today. She no agree at all. Okay, Princess, I love your courage. Who is coming in for third position? Tochi, Nake, Michael. Who is coming in for third position? We have first, we have second. We are choosing the better one. Okay. Who is coming in third? Who is coming in third? I want to start marking the fast about it. We are choosing Michael coming in third. Okay. Okay. Tochi coming in fourth. Charles Obochi. Okay. Charles, you are welcome. I was thinking you will not come to class today. You are welcome to class. Okay, Nake, you're coming in last almost. That's good. Okay, but being last is not the problem, but your response is perfect. Let's look at the Chikezie. Anyị na-ahọrọ nke ka mma. Perfect. Princess, anyị na-ahọrọ nke ka mma. Perfect. Michael, anyị na-ahọrọ nke ka mma. No, your ahọrọ is not double O in this case. Ahọrọ, na-ahọrọ is one O, not double O. Okay, it's not past tense now, but present continuous. Okay, right? So Tochi, anyị na-ahọrọ nke ka mma. Perfect. Charles, anyị chọga nke ka mma. Mba, we don't use choga in this class. Choga is not a central Igbo. It's a local Igbo. I think it's Igbo people that say something like that. I think it's Igbo, peculiar to a part or low or something like that. Choga, mega, no. Or Abia people, I think they say something like that, but that is not a central Igbo. Okay? It's not choga. No. So, anyị na-achọrọ nke ka mma. No. Here, I said it now. I know it's Owerri and the Abia, they say choga, mega. But that is not Central Igbo. Okay, I know. So we have to come back home to Central Igbo. That's what we use here. Okay. Nake anyị na-ahọrọ nke ka mma. Okay, that's better now. I think that's the corrected version. Charles, anyị choga. No, I've corrected you, Charles. Don't say choga again here. Okay, it's anyị na-ahọrọ. We are choosing. That's the sentence we're making here. We are choosing the better one. Anyị na-ahọrọ nke ka mma, not anyị choga. Anyị choga. Okay. Okay, anyị choga. Even in this way you wrote it, like you're saying we want anyị choga. Okay. Now here is Igbo, though used for looking for. Not that what I'm saying is looking for, it's not choosing. It's not even correct in this sense. In this sense. So Charles, we disagree with you entirely. Okay. So we go on to we choose. We choose. We choose. We choose is ga-ahọrọ. Ga-ahọrọ. We choose. Okay. The sentence is he will choose a wife among them. He will choose a wife among them. I hope it will be among us here, because we have lady here. Princess is a lady, pretty lady for that matter. I hope one of you will choose her. He is choosing a wife among them. He is choosing a wife among them. But this sentence seems to be too long. He's choosing a wife among them. He is choosing. Oh, did I say he will choose? Not he's choosing, sorry. He will choose a wife among them. He will choose. Oh, I said it now. I told you guys that princess is available. Pretty, beautiful, very well-behaved woman, girl, available to be chosen. And I don't want her to go to another people. I want her to go to Igbo land. So she's available. I hope you are going to choose her from this class, this family. Okay? If not, I'm already married. I would have chosen her. I would have married already with kids. Don't mind me. Okay. So the question is choose. He will choose. He will choose a wife among them. He will choose a wife among them. Okay, let's have it. Oh, Dr. Abdullahi, coming very late to class, but better late than never. You're welcome to class. Okay, ọ ga-ahọrọ nwunye n'etiti ha. Wonderful. Chikeze has written, any other effort? He will choose a wife among them. Ngwa, who will try this again? Only Chikeze have been able to decode this now, waiting for others. Nnake has come in. Ọ ga-ahọrọ nke nwunye n'etiti ha. Okay, okay. He will choose a wife among them. Write that in Igbo language. Try your luck. Give it a try. Ọ ga-esi n'etiti họrọ nwunye ya. Okay. I think the first one is better than this one, Chikezie. Ọ ga-ahọrọ nwunye n'etiti ha. He will choose a wife among them. The first one is better than this. Okay. So any other option? I had two responses. This seemed to be too hard for you guys. Ọ ga-ahọrọ n'etiti ha. Okay, that's fine. I don't know what you wrote before. Yeah, and that is better. Yeah, that's what you wrote before, and that is okay. Yeah. Any other person coming in Babi? Tochi. Ọ ga-ahọrọ nwunye n'etiti ha. Okay. 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 Chima di Marco. What did you say? Ogadi. What did you say, Chima? You didn't greet us. You come with this sentence. I don't understand you, Chima. What did you write? Ogadi. Ogadi Ebe. You didn't hear what I said you write. Okay. Okay, Chima, you're welcome anyway. You're welcome to class. Let me see what other people wrote before Chima will disorganize me. Oga horo nwanyị n'etiti ha. Hey, better. You are now talking. Princess, can you break this sentence down? I believe Netiti is middle. Netiti, among them. Netiti, in their midst. In their midst. In their middle. In the midst of them is the same thing. Princess. Netiti ha, in their midst. If it is two things you are talking about, become the middle of two things. Okay? Middle of something, Netiti. But if you are talking about number of people together, not necessarily two things in one place, is among them, plural this time around. But if it's only two things you are talking in between, it becomes between is between them, the two. But if it's many people together, it becomes among. And the same thing is netiti, among them. Am I clear, princess? Because that's your question. Am I clear? Is it understood? Princess, reply me. I'm waiting for your response. Okay? Let's do the marking now. Let's do the marking. Chikezie, ọ ga-ahọrọ nwunye n'etiti ha. Correct. Nnake, ọ ga-ahọrọ nke nwunye n'etiti ha. No, not nke. You don't need to put nke again. Just put ọ ga-ahọrọ nwunye n'etiti ha is okay. Tochi, ọ ga-ahọrọ nwunye n'etiti ha. Okay, correct. Charles, ọ ga-ahọrọ nwunye n'ime ha, not inside them, n'etiti ha, between them, between or among them. They mean the same thing in Igbo language. N'etiti, between or among them, they are the same. As anyone talking to you now. Okay. So Charles is not n'ime ha, it's not inside them, it's among them. N'etiti ha. Okay, Princess. Okay, I've answered your question, Princess. Chima, ọ ga-ahọrọ nwanyị n'etiti ha. Okay, nwanyị or nwunye. What is the difference between the two? Nwanyị is just a woman. He will choose a woman. But when we emphasize a wife, it becomes nwunye, not just one. So nwanyị is generally a woman, but nwunye is a wife. That is for Chima. Correction. Okay. Okay. Nnake, ọ ga-ahọrọ nwunye n'etiti ha. Correct. Princess Ezenwa, daalụ. All right. That means my response satisfies you. We move on. Don't choose. That's where we are now. Don't choose. That is the Igbo verb we're talking about now. Ahọrọla. That is the word in Igbo. Ahọrọla. The sentence is, don't choose the bad one. Don't choose the bad one. Write that in Igbo language. Game on. Shoot it now. Don't choose the bad one. Game on. Game on. Don't choose the bad one. Write that in Igbo language. Game on. This is Igbo verb game. Welcome to class. Challenge your learning. Challenge your understanding. Challenge your level in Igbo language. This is what we do here every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigerian time. 1300 GMT. Anywhere you are in any part of the world, join us to have your Igbo drill here. The Igbo tutor is always live. So we go, okay, don't choose the bad one. That's the word. We have Chikezie came in first, and then Chima coming in second. Who is coming in third? Game is on. Who is coming in third? Who is coming in third? Charles Robert is coming in third. Who is following that? Who is following that? Who is following that? Nake is in. Okay. Where are the rest? Princess, where are you? Where are you? Okay. Tochi is here. Okay. Okay, Princess is in. Okay, let's mark now. Let's see which one is most appropriate. Chikezie wrote, first position, ahorola, nke ọjọọ. That is okay. That's perfect. Dimpa, ahorola. Please put your ahorola together. Don't separate it. Nke ọjọọ, talking to Chima now. Okay, you have done it as you in the second sentence. Ahorola, nke ọjọọ. Good. Charles, ahorola, nke dị ọjọọ. Charles, put your ahorola together. Okay. Nke dị ọjọọ. You could have said nke ọjọọ, nke dị ọjọọ. Okay, it's okay. But that long sentence is not needed again. Nnake, ahorola, nke njọ. No, it's not nke njọ, it's nke ọjọọ. Nke ọjọọ is better. Tochi, ahorola, nke ọjọọ, better. Good. Princess, ahorola, nke njọ. No, nke ọjọọ is the right word. Michael, ahorola, nke dị njọ. Nke dị njọ is still okay. If you want to use nke njọ, you put nke dị njọ, like Michael did. That's acceptable. Nke dị njọ or nke ọjọọ, either of the two. But you cannot just write ahorola nke njọ. No, njọ means sin in this sense, sin. But what is bad is nke ọjọọ, bad one. But you can say nke dị njọ, the one that is bad. That's what that word means. Nke dị njọ, the one that is bad. All right. Charles, ahorola nke ọjọọ. Ahorola nke ọjọọ. Good. So we're done with this. Move on to the next one. Okay. Can you explain ojo and njo? I think I've already explained that. Ojo is bad. Njo precisely is sin. Sin. Njo. Okay? But it's actually sin. But if you want to use it in this sentence, you say nke di njo. Njo is also something bad. But in this sense, if you want to use it, you put danger, that is sinful or bad, that is bad. But nkojo is presenting that sense, that word perfectly. Bad one. Ojo, bad. But sin as a word is mehi. I mean, njo as a single word is sin. Sin. Okay? So both can be used, but if you want to use njo, I said add danger. Danger, that is bad, that is sinful. Otherwise, use kojo, that's fine. So both are similar, except for little difference in use. Right? I don't know whether what I explained makes sense for Princess or not. Please, do you understand what I explained? While we move to the last one, has chosen, horogo, 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 or ahorogo. Let's have a sentence for these. He has chosen the one he wants, or he has chosen what he wants. Let's make it simpler. He has chosen what he wants. He has chosen what he wants. Write that in Igbo language. Game on. He has chosen what he wants. Game on. Write that in Igbo language. He has chosen what he wants. That's the last we're doing for today. Let's shoot it. Game on. He has chosen what he wants. Game on. Shoot now. Chima. Okay, Chima is coming first now. Great challenge. Charles is coming second. Great challenge. Okay, Charles, you don't. Okay, I'm going to mark that. Nake third. Donald fourth. They push you down to fourth position. Princess fifth. Chima is coming again. Is that a correction? Okay, a new version of it. Right. Where is my guy? Where is my guy, Tochi? Where is my guy, Tochi? I've not seen him. Tochi, where are you? All right, you are in. Great. So let's mark. Let's mark. Chima wrote, ọhọrọ nke ọ chọrọ. No. Charles, ọhọrọgo nke ọ chọrọ. No. You put your horogo together. That is number one. Nke ọ must stand together. Is a pronoun standing for he. Then you are choro. You have dot under the O's. Nakele see you. Ohorogo nke ochoro. Perfect sentence. Perfect. Chikezie. Ohorogo ihe ochoro. Actually say the one is nke ochoro. Not the thing he wants. If it is the thing he wants, it becomes ihe ochoro. But nke ochoro is the one. The one. Nke ochoro. The one he wants. Okay. Or did I say the thing he like? Is that what I said? I don't know. Princess, horogon culture. Okay, correct, perfect. Chima came again, said horogo nke ochoro. Still, yeah, horogo must be together, not separate. Tochi, horogo ihe ochoro. Okay, I didn't know whether I said the thing he wants or what he wants. I can't remember. Is it ihe? I thought you said what he wants. Oh, that's what I'm trying to remember. What he wants. If it is what he wants, is ihe ochoro. But if it is the one he wants, it becomes nke ochoro. Let's get that clear. If I have said he has chosen what he wants, the writing is he has ohorogo ihe ochoro. What he wants is ihe ochoro. But if it is the one he wants, it becomes nke ochoro. Is that clear? Is that clear? If I said what he wants is ohorogo ihe ochoro. But if it is the one he wants, it becomes nke ochoro. I believe that is clear enough. Is that clear enough? This my explanation. Is it clear enough? Is it horogo or horogo? Is horogo? Is horogo? The last O doesn't have dot on that. Is horogo? Is not horogo. Horogo will not make any meaning. Okay? Is horogo? So I believe those explanations are clear enough. Before we round up this class, do remember that this is free Igbo class, but nothing is free. People are supporting this project by giving us of gifts to support financially through live chats, super chat, super stickers, super thank. Some are having private classes with us. If you want to have a private class, send us email, theibotutor@gmail.com. Most of our sharp students here, most of them are in private classes. We also have ebooks prepared specially for every new learner of Igbo language that will help you to learn even faster. Get those books today. They are unique in nature because they have text, audios, and pictures. The audios are downloadable, which means you download the audios, you can hear them when you are offline. You can listen to them when you are driving as MP3. You can listen when you are cooking or when you are doing laundry. Anywhere you are, you can always listen to it. So get those books today. How do you get them? Go to the description box of this live session or the previous ones. You will see a link to our bookshop. Go to our homepage, look at our channel description, you see a link to our bookshop. Go to our community tab in our homepage, open it up, you see the books advertised there, and the link to our bookshop always displayed. Go there today, buy your books. They are very cheap, $1 to $3. You get any one you want. With $20 to $25, you get up to 10 books over there. You can't get it cheaper anywhere. This is a unique opportunity for you. Get it today, and you'll be glad you did. This class is ending now. We can't exceed 1 hour, 30 minutes. Try to always come to class on time. We begin by 2 p.m. Join early so you don't lose out, so you can cover enough ground before we conclude the class. Thank you all for coming to class today. It's been a pleasure being with you, learning together with you. I love you, and I believe you will come next week. Share it out, please, to your friends. Spread the good news, and let's learn and keep Igbo language alive. Ka emesịa, Chugozie gị ka ọ dị Saturday ọzọ. Bye. I sign out.